Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to generate an image like this for 15th August, I will show you in my mobile screen how to create such images. Open ChatGPT, upload your picture and paste a prompt. Here you can see the image is generated. In same way, this image. So here I have generated multiple pictures. Here you can see. So here you can see there are more pictures that I have created. Okay, so to get a prompt, what you can do, you can visit my Instagram profile, you can comment prompt here, or the best way, you go to my Telegram channel. Here I have posted multiple pictures. Here you can see. From here you can just copy and paste the prompt directly in the ChatGPT. For the best result, use both ChatGPT and Gemini, whichever you are liking, use that image. So all this prompt you will find it here. For this, for this, so the all prompts are available here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.